In this chapter, we will cover AI for personal growth. So far, we've seen how AI can make life easier. But what if I told you it could also make you smarter, more productive, and even better at your job or studies? Today, you will learn how you can use AI to grow as a person, whether that's learning new skills, landing your dream job, or just staying sharp and ahead of the curve. 1. AI for learning new skills. Platforms like Learnova Tech, Coursera, or even YouTube use AI to create personalized learning paths. Want to learn coding? AI will recommend courses, track your progress, and suggest areas where you need extra practice. Want to learn a new language? Apps like Duolingo or Babbel adapt lessons to your pace and help you practice speaking, listening, and writing in real time. 2. Building better habits with artificial intelligence. Apps like Habitica and Streaks use AI to gamify habit tracking, making it easier to stick to your goals. Want to read more books this year? AI will nudge you to stay on track and even reward you when you hit milestones. Mindfulness and well-being. Apps like Headspace and Calm use AI to recommend meditation sessions tailored to your stress levels. Had a tough day? AI can guide you through a 10-minute breathing exercise to relax and recharge. 3. Artificial intelligence for career growth. Polish your resume. Tools like Resume Build or LinkedIn's AI suggestions can help you craft a standout resume. AI can highlight your key achievements, suggest action verbs, and even predict what recruiters are looking for. Mock interviews with AI. Practice answering tough interview questions with AI coaches like Interview Warm-Up. AI acts like a recruiter, giving you feedback on your answers, tone, and confidence. 4. Productivity superpowers. Task automation. Use tools like Zapier or IFTTT to connect apps and automate repetitive tasks. Imagine your emails getting sorted automatically or your receipts being uploaded to expense trackers without lifting a finger. Smart note-taking. Apps like Notion or Evernote use AI to organize your notes, highlight key points, and even summarize them. For example, take messy meeting notes. AI will turn them into a neat summary with action points. 5. Enhancing creativity with artificial intelligence. Boost your writing. Tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT can improve your grammar, style, and tone, whether you're writing emails, essays, or stories. AI can make your writing clearer, more engaging, and even funnier if you want. Design like a pro. Canva's AI features let you create professional designs, even if you're not a designer. Need a logo or a presentation? AI will handle the hard part. You just pick the colors. 6. Artificial intelligence for lifelong learning. Stay updated the smart way. Use AI-curated news apps like Feedly or Pocket to stay informed on topics that matter to you. These apps will find the latest articles and videos, so you don't have to search for them. Master any subject. With AI tools like Quizlet, create flashcards and quizzes tailored to your study needs. Preparing for an exam? AI can help you memorize key concepts and test your knowledge. Whether it's building better habits, growing your career, or learning new skills, artificial intelligence is like having a personal coach in your corner. In the next chapter, we'll dive even deeper into the fun side of AI, how it can make you more creative, spark ideas, and even help you create art, music, or stories. Ready to unleash your inner artist? Let's go! www.learnova.tech